Can you tell I cut my own bangs? Oh gosh, anyway, it is New Year's Eve day, and I got up this morning and I said, time for a project. So my husband and I race power boats, and we've been so busy with that and preoccupied that one of the things I really love to do is my home is a fixer-upper. And you can do anything to it. And I quit playing with it for a multitude of reasons. One, because it became an issue between my husband and I decided I'm just gonna let him be mad. So here's what I'm doing next. Neither one of us like this aqua. I let him pick it, it's got to go. It's paint. Why are we so afraid of paint? Okay, so I'm taking the armoire top and throwing it in the garbage because it's broken. That, garbage. This wall is getting painted the color I have in my house for free. You know, I don't like to make things complicated. So this is getting painted Saturday back to a beige. I'm taking the bottom of the armoire and I'm painting it, and it's gonna be my dresser. And this dining room table I've had for about 9 years. I love it. I spent 50 bucks on it. Yeah, and the chairs are out of the garbage and my mom recovered them. So one of my issues with this table is this thing only pulls out this far, which is not far enough to put a plate on. And I said to my husband, oh my goodness, look, the length here. So what we're gonna do is take this off completely, put a door hinge here, so this comes out like that. It'll flap down and flap back up. Is that the right word? But isn't it beautiful? So I'm gonna paint the top black and I think the bottom white. But the aqua's gotta go. It was fun. No. And stay tuned to see what I do over the weekend. Happy New Year.